Hello friends, welcome to our channel Ashanna Rathpelli. In this video, we are going to learn quadratic equations, exercise 5.4. First bit, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If real roots exist, find them. First problem, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Solution, first bit, first problem. Given 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Given 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. On comparing this quadratic equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 5. Therefore, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here b minus 3 whole square, 4a 2 c 5. 3 3 is 9, 4 5 2 is 10, 10 4 is 40. So 40 minus 9 minus 40 minus 31. So this is less than 0. That means discriminant d is less than 0. Therefore, the given quadratic equation has no real roots. That is, that has imaginary roots. First bit, second problem, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Comparing with this quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3, c is equal to 4. Therefore, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the formula. B square minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 in 4 ac. 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48, minus 4 4s are 16, 16 3s are 48. 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. Discriminant 0. Therefore, roots are real and equal. They are minus b by 2a minus b by 2a. If we substitute in this given values, we can get those two equal real roots. Minus b minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2 into a is equal to 3. another one also same, minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2a, minus into minus plus, 2 ones 2 twos, 2 root 3 by 3, this also same, that is equal to 2 root 3 by 3. If we multiply this root 3 by root 3, both the numerator and denominator, we can get like this, 2 into 3 by 3 root 3, 3 cancel, 2 by root 3. Therefore roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. First bit, third problem, 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 3. Therefore discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is the formula. In this, b square minus 6 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3, 6 is 36 minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24, 12, 36 minus 24, 12 is the discriminant. This is greater than 0, discriminant is greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and distinct. They are, the roots are minus b plus under root of discriminant b square minus 4ac by 2a, another one minus b minus under root of discriminant by 2a. Here minus b minus of minus 6 plus discriminant 12 by 2 into a 2, minus of minus 6 minus root 12 by 2 into 2, minus minus plus 6 plus root 12 means 2 6 are 2 3 is 2 6 are 12, 2 3 is 6, so 2 will come out, 2 root 3 by 2 to the 4, 6 minus 2 root 3 here by 4. Then if we take in 2 as common, or we can cancel like this, 2 3s, 2 1s root 3, 2 2s, 2 3s minus 2 1s, 2 1s are 2 root 3s are 2 root 3, cancel 2 2s, so 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. These are two roots. Second bit, find the values of k for each of the following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. Second bit, first problem, given 2x square plus kx plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. B is equal to k. C is equal to 3. For equal roots, the discriminant d is 0. This is the formula. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Substituting these values in place of this b square k square minus 4 into 2 into 3 is equal to 0. K square minus 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24 is equal to 0. K square is equal to 24. K is equal to plus or minus square root of 24. We have to find the square roots for 24. 24, 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 6, 2 3s. But these only pairs. That is equal to k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. 2 3s are 6. Not fair for this. That's why k is equal to plus or minus 2 root 6. Second bit, second problem, kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. We have to make it a quadratic equation. Kx into x, kx square minus plus into minus minus kx into 2 minus 2kx plus 6 is equal to 0. Comparing this quadratic equation with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then a is equal to k and b is equal to minus 2k, c is equal to 6. For equal roots, the discriminant d is equal to 0. That is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. b square minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a k c 6 is equal to 0. 4k square minus 2k whole square is equal to 4k square minus 4 6 24k is equal to 0. In both the terms 4k is common, so that's why taking 4k as common. Here k minus 6 is equal to 0. 4k is equal to 0, or k minus 6 is equal to 0. K is equal to 0 by 4. K is equal to 0. Here k is equal to 6. These are values of k. Therefore, k is equal to 0 or 6. Question number 3. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth and the area is 800 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Question number 3. Solution. Let the breadth be x, be x. Then length is equal to length L is equal to twice means 2x. We know the rectangle, long side is called length, short side is called breadth. Here short side breadth we took x, breadth double twice 2x. Area A is equal to LB. Here length 2x, breadth x, 2x square, area 2x square. According to the problem, according to the question, area is given, area this 2x square is given 800 meters square, this is given. So x square is equal to 2 ones, 2 fours, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. X is equal to plus or minus under root of 400. X is equal to 400 square root of 400 plus or minus 20. Therefore, breadth x is equal to 20 meters. Always length breadth is positive only, and length 2x is equal to 2 into 20 is equal to 40 meters. Question number 4. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their ages in years was 48. Is the situation possible? If so, determine their present ages. Solution for the fourth problem. Let the age of one of the two friends be x years. Then the age of the other is equal to 20 minus 6 by the condition, by the given condition. Four years ago, 4 years ago, their age would be 4 years ago. So x minus 4 and 20 minus x minus 4, that is x minus 4, and 20 minus 4 16 minus x years. According to the problem, according to the question. Product of their ages, product of their ages 4 years ago, 4 years ago, this x minus 4, 16 minus x, x minus 4 into 16 minus x is equal to 48 years. This is given. This is given in question. So x into 16, 16x, x into x minus x square, 4 into 16, 16 4s are 64 minus 4x is equal to 48. 16 minus 4, 12. So here minus into minus plus. So 20x, here 20x minus x square minus 64 is equal to 48. Now we have to transpose these all terms on right side only. This will become minus plus minus plus. So 20x plus x square plus 64, this minus 20x, this plus x square plus 64 is equal to plus 48 is equal to 0. That is x square minus 20x, 64, 48, 112 is equal to 0. We have to test these roots using the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 20, c is equal to 112. To test we can use discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac, b square minus 20 whole square, 4 into 1 into 112, 400 minus 4 to the 8, 4 1 the 4, 4 1 the 4, that is equal to minus 48. Discriminant minus 48. So discriminant is less than 0. This is less than 0. So discriminant also less than 0. If the discriminant is negative or less than 0, the roots are not real. Therefore, the roots are not real. Therefore, the situation is not possible. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meters and area 400 meters square? If so, find its length and breadth. Solution for fifth problem. Let the breadth of the rectangular park b is equal to x. So length, first according to According to the question, perimeter is given. Perimeter of rectangular park 2 of L plus B. This is rectangle 2 of L plus B is equal to 80 meters is given. Therefore, L plus B is equal to 2 ones 2 fours 0. Therefore, length is equal to 40 minus B. B what? X meters. So 40 minus X meters. This is length. And also given area. We know area of rectangle LB is equal to 400 meters square. This is also given because given length 40 minus X into breadth X is equal to 400. 40 into X, 40X minus X into X minus X square is equal to 400. The coefficient of X square minus 1. That's why we have to transpose these all terms on right side. Then it will become X square minus 40X plus 400 is equal to 0. Now we have to solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. 1 into 400 is equal to 400. 400 is equal to 20. 20 is the middle term minus 40. That's why we have to keep minus for two numbers. Minus 20, minus 20, minus 40 will come. Therefore, X square, we can split this minus 20X minus 20X plus 400 is equal to 0. X is common, X minus 20. 20 is common, X minus 20 is equal to 0. X minus 20 is common, X minus 20. X minus 20 is equal to 0 or X minus 20 is equal to 0. X is equal to 20. Here also X is equal to 20. Therefore, the breadth is X is equal to 20 meters. Length L is equal to 40 minus X. 40 minus 20 is equal to 20 meters. That means both are equal. That is, the park actually is in square shape. Like this. Thank you, children. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, immediately subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.